Hi, David Cook here from SoCal Fire Pits. I just wanted to talk to you about building a fire pit. We get lots of phone calls of people that are building a fire pit here, and I want to help you ignite your perfect patio. So on SoCal Fire Pits, under parts and accessories, you can find our fire pit burners. And first, we're going to talk to you about these. This is our star burner. This is what we build here in Anaheim. It's heavy duty, 304 Schedule 40 stainless steel pipe. And so it's a very thick stainless heavy duty burner for here in Southern California. It'll last for 20, 30, 40 years before it needs replacing. Then you can also get a flex line, heavy duty flex line to connect your burner. And then we also offer lots of other brands. This is a HPC Penta Burner kit, and you can see this kit comes with the key valve and the flex line if you're doing a new build there and you need a key valve. And then you can get a burner insert with a pan. And I get lots of phone calls of people thinking they need a pan, and you don't always need a pan. And I want to talk to you about that because it's very important that you install your burner correctly. And if you have a traditional fire pit in Southern California, there's millions of them built like this, and they look maybe something like this. This is how you would install the burner, and if you contact us, we have these instructions for you. You have a fire pit ring like this, a vessel, and it's built in, and you want to freshen it up. You don't want to use a pan unless it is constructed specifically to use a pan. And what I mean by that is the fire pits that are intended to use a pan, they need to have ventilation underneath. This is the instruction manual from a fire pit burner system with a pan. You can see it requires ventilation. So if you have like a traditional fire pit in the ground that doesn't have ventilation, you don't want to use a pan, and you want to just fill it all up with lava rock. So the bottom cavity here you fill up with lava rock, and should have sufficient drainage underneath. And then you can put your burner on top of the lava rock like this, and then you can cover it with glass or tumbled lava or balls or whatever, the larger lava that you'd like. So anyway, hope that helps. If you have questions about building a fire pit, give us a call, and we're right here in Southern California. Thank you. Bye.